So I'm reading the instructions on Big Tree Tech on how to update this with Klipper, and the way they have it on the Big Tree Tech GitHub is really confusing, and I thought I just figured out a really easy way to do it through kiauh, and I'm going to show you a real quick video on how to update the firmware without having to type in all those commands in Klipper. So I got to put it in the USB mode or whatever you call it. When you push this, there's a button right here. I got to push this in and plug it into the Klipper device at the same time. So I'm going to do that right now. All right, so now I got it plugged in and I push that button down at the same time, which means that it can accept software. So we're going to go over to our computer. I know it's a wreck in here. Don't worry about that. And then we've got kiauh here, right? So we're going to, we got to get to the main screen. And then this is kiauh. So I've SSH'd into the Klipper device that's running that printer. And what I want to do is go to For Advanced. And do you see how it says build plus flash? So we'll hit 3. And I've already done this once, so I saved it. So if I ever want to do it again, I can. But I'm going to go ahead and say create new just so you can see it. So new, it'll take you into this screen. Now these are already set to the options that you need, right? And it matches what they have on their GitHub, right? So these are the options you need. And you hit escape. It's going to compile it. Now it's asking me if I want to save it. I'm just going to hit no. Now it's going to ask me what device do I want to flash. So we're going to select regular flashing method. Then we're going to select make flash. And then we're going to select 4 RP0 or 240 RP2040 mode. Now our eddy is showing up. That's our eddy web address. That shows that it's connected. So we're going to hit 0 because that's the number to select this one. If we had more than one eddy connected, they would all show up here and have different numbers, but we only have one connected. So we're going to select this one, 0, hit enter, say yes, start flash. Boom, flashing successful. That's pretty awesome. All right, so now if we hit back, and then we hit, let's go back to the main screen. So let's go back to advanced, and then we say get MCU ID, and we're gonna select USB this time. And then here is our Raspberry Pi, and then this one is the printer. Here is the eddy sensor, and here's the printer. So just copy the eddy sensor and put it in the config, and you flashed.